Yeah, look at this then. Got all the seagulls and birds and that. Massive flock of them. Massive flock of seagulls. I wonder what do I have to? A massive flock of them. Oh. I'm glad I've come out now. Because of the natural light. But until I noticed, all these birds like seagulls are some of it, but it's like a bit interesting, you know. And that's the music. I see loads of them. Then tomorrow's meant to be a hot day tomorrow. To what I've heard news. Like in Nirvana. Jesus. Yeah, doing it now. Second concentrate on the birds. Really, I should get a camera out really. But I just want to know what they're doing though, about birds like in one use flock, you know. Because if I put it on YouTube, I don't want any copyright. You know. But I suppose there's like timing for everything. But this is good timing for birds. But I think they've all gone now, so I've managed to capture the best of the footage. Because they've all like gone like over there now. So I don't know what they're after. But I suppose on some bird groups on Facebook then and ask around. Over and out.